Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Lisa with Next Up is Lisa, and I am here because I wanted to try a recipe that I saw on Food Network last weekend. This recipe was on Delicious Miss Brown's episode, and it is called the sweet potato cheesecake with Gingersnap crust. It just seemed like it was such a decadent but fairly easy recipe to make, so I thought I would try to make it today. If you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so for the first part of this recipe, I'm going to actually spray a deep dish pie plate with non-stick cooking spray to keep everything from sticking to that. Then I'm going to get 1.5 cups of Gingersnap cookies that have been crushed. I actually just put these into my food processor and crushed them that way. That's what's in here. And then 1/3 cup of light brown sugar. As you know, I only use dark brown sugar, so that's what's here. A pinch of salt, and then 6 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm going to mix the butter, the sugar, and the pinch of salt all together into this bowl, and then I'm going to press everything into the pie crust. And then I'm going to bake it in a 350-degree oven for... And so now I'm going to put this in the oven and bake it for 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, so for the next part of the sweet potato cheesecake with Gingersnap crust, we're going to make the cheesecake filling. So to do that, we need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 eggs. And we're going to mix that all together. So. The cheesecake portion of this pie has been chilling for about an hour, so I'm going to go ahead and start the sweet potato topping. To do that, I have 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I have some cinnamon and some nutmeg over here. I do not have ginger, so I'm going to put a little bit of extra nutmeg and cinnamon since I don't have any ginger. Kosher salt. I have 2 cups of sweet potatoes that have been pureed. I have 1/4 cup of half and half, some 3 tablespoons of butter, some vanilla extract, and 2 large eggs. So I'm gonna put all of this together and whisk it well, and then I'll show you how I put it on top of the cake. So I am going to bake this at 350 for 15 minutes, and then I am going to reduce the heat to 325 and bake it for 55 to 60 minutes. Let's see, I'm just going to take a little sliver. Well with this, but let's see, it looks like I got it. Now, truth of the matter is I am not a sweet potato pie lover, but I'm going to taste this. That is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Wow. Delicious Miss B, you have done it again. This, look, I'm going back for another piece, and I don't even eat sweet potato pie. This is fabulous. So take it from a person that doesn't eat sweet potato pie. This is delicious. If you're interested in me testing any other recipes out, please leave them in the comments section. I'm happy to do so. And I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.